Welcome to iTimePlus. In this tutorial, you will learn how to switch back and forth between the simple and advanced timesheet. First, log in using your email address or Google. You will get a pop-up giving you the details of both timesheets. The default timesheet will be the simple one. To use it, simply log in the hours for each project or task chosen from the drop-down menu in the row next to the project and task. Then, click on Save My Timesheet and your timesheet will be saved. Click on Reports and go to Timesheet, Employee Hours, and the report will come up. You can download the report in several different formats. It's as simple as that. You can also switch between the simple and advanced timesheet by clicking on the Switch to Advanced button. You can also go to Settings, Timesheet Settings, and click on General Settings. Here, you can find the settings for the timesheet. You have the option to lock holidays so that users won't be able to enter time during the holidays. You can also select a project from the drop-down menu and choose how many hours per day, as well as if managers can create projects or tasks, what day the week begins, when to send reminders, and who to send them from. You can also toggle between advanced and simple timesheet by choosing from the drop-down menu. You will have more options in advanced, such as the pay period start date, pay period number of days, to send an email when approved or when rejected, as well as when to send a reminder and who to send it from. Don't forget to save your changes. Now go back to Advanced Timesheet, and this is what the Advanced Timesheet looks like. Now go to Reports, click on Timesheet, click on Pay Period Employee Hours, and now you have the report for the Advanced Timesheet. If you have any further questions, feel free to check out our other videos or email us at support@orapex.com.